here today to show you how to make this fun money tree for a gift. A friend of mine asked me if I would make them. She remembered that years ago when my kids were small, I used to make those for people and give them as gift. I probably made them for her kids as a gift, and the kids loved them, so she wants to give them to her grandkids for Christmas. So I went to 3 different stores, and Dollar Tree store, I got these 4 packs of bowls and a 4-pack of foam. So this is the size. I got some of these glass beads that are going to weigh down the bottom of the bowl because it's very lightweight. Then I went to Wal Mart and I got a 25 pack of these pipe cleaners and some brown paint. Oh, I also got these at the dollar store, 4-pack of these foam paintbrushes. And then I went to Michael's and I got some dowels. So the dowels are the thin ones because it's such a lightweight. You could use a thicker dowel, but it might topple if you do. So these are perfect. And I got this from Michael's. It was $1.49 for this, and it's a piece of foam that looks like grass. And I just cut 6 of these circles that I use to hide the foam. So I am going to show you how to assemble it. And I'm going to start by painting the dowel. The one that I showed you didn't have a painted dowel, and I actually went back to the store and got some brown paint because I didn't want to see the natural color of the dowel underneath the pipe cleaners. So, painted the dowel, and I'm just going to put that aside for a minute and go into my bowl, and I'm going to take about maybe 7 or 8 of these glass beads, and I'm going to take my hot glue gun and I'm just going to put a dot on each of the rounded side of these glass beads, and I'm just going to go around the outside. I'm not going to do the middle because I want the dowel to go all the way through to the bottom, and that will prevent it if I put a glass bead in the middle. Well, it'll still go through, it just won't go through as far as I want it to. So I have 7 of these glass beads, and that's what they look like. So now I am going to take my foam piece and I am going to push it into the bowl. Now you can, shave off the edges with a knife if you want to make it a perfect circle, but I don't think it's necessary. I just kind of push it in there, and I just use my fist or my fingers to really push it down as far as I can. And then I'm going to take the dowel and I'm going to just poke a hole in the center. So now it's not round anymore, it's a little bit oval. So I'm going to poke a hole in the center, and then I'm going to pull it back out and put either the tacky glue or some of my hot glue in there, and then push the dowel back in. So now, now I'm going to slide. I have a hole in the middle of this, so I'm going to slide it on, and then just kind of tuck it into the sides. So there you are. And now I'm going to take the pipe cleaner and I am going to just take one and go around the bottom just so that I give it a little bit of texture on the bottom, because otherwise it'll look very different than the branches. So I'm just kind of twisting it around, and then I'm going to slide it down. So you can do one or you can do two. I'm just going to do one, and if I needed another one, I would probably go back in. But it doesn't have to be perfect because you did, because I did paint it brown, so it's not as obvious. So then you're going to take 10 of these lovely pipe cleaners, and they don't have to be perfectly even. And you're going to wrap them around at least 1 or 2 times, and then start to twist it so that it looks like branches. So that's what it's going to look like. And you're just going to put 10 of those on, and you can just kind of make sure that they're going in different directions so that they're not all straight. So once that's done, and you're going to do the top part, and the top part you're going to wrap around maybe 7 or 8 times, and then just bring it close to the top. And then once you're there, once you have all 10 on, it's going to look like this. So it's going to look like that bare tree. Okay? Now comes the time to put the money on. So you're going to take a dollar bill, and you're going to make a fan out of it. So you remember how when you were a kid you used to make paper fans because you were hot? At least I did. You probably don't do that anymore. So I'm going to move the cat first, and then I'm going to show you. So you're going to just go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So you're going in one direction, flatten it, and then go in the other direction until you make a fan. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to show you how it's a fan. So here's my fan. See? But what you're going to do is pinch the middle of it. So it's going to look more like a bow. Okay? And then you're going to take it and you're going to just put it on your tree. So you're going to fold your pipe cleaner over the center, and you can actually go around a couple of times if you want so that it's secure. And then you're going to open your money, your fan, out. So it's kind of like a circle or a bow. And that's how it looks once it's on. And then once you have them all on, there it is. Cute. So, very inexpensive, very easy, and that will hold 20 bills, so $21 bills, or you can do the math to figure out how you want to do it. And I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you make them for people and they enjoy them. Kids love it. They love money and they love trees. So you can show them money does grow on trees sometimes. Okay, have a great day. I'll see you again soon. Bye.